Hi everyone, welcome back with the second regular Sudoku in this daily newspaper of Friday. Yes, Friday, December the 4th, 2020, almost weekend. And this Sudoku, the second one, the first one I have done with the speed test. You need to do this also once a while, and I promise you the first week of the month I will do a speed test with a Sudoku Light, and this one is a Sudoku Heavy, and this will be a number 1969. All right. Oh, tipped over the camera. Happened too often. Apologies. All right. Alright, have a good position. Yes. Alright, before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one we have here 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, plus 4 is 9, plus 2 is 11, plus 3 is 14. 14 plus 4 is 18, 20, 22, 24. Wow, 24. So this is a really heavy, because 24, if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars Sudokus in additional, this will be a 4 stars Sudoku. So is this really a 4-star Sudoku? I do not know. So let me check if this is true. A 4-star Sudoku, I need really 30 minutes or more to solve. So I'm very curious. So let's get started. I see a lot of 2s. Let me start with 2. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. You see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for a 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 2. Let me see which number. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place for a 9 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 9. How about 9842? The 2 should be there. Let me see. The 3 in the first column, the 3 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 3 boxes. Therefore, no 4 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4. Should be there. Then. In this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 7. We see here 7. So no 7s in those 2 boxes. So the 7 could be here or could be there. So we have a 7 in this column, a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for a 7 should be there. 4 missing numbers in the last column. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5 in this big square. So no 5s in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 5. Should be there. 5 in this first row. 5 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place for a 5 should be there. And then these 3 missing numbers are in this column. The 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, the 8 and the 9. 198, 198, 198. All right. So that means 1 digit left in this big square for the number 3. All right. 3. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 9. We see here 9. So no 9 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 9. Should be there. These 3 missing numbers. 1, 2. The 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6. The 7 and the 8. 3, 7 and the 8. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 3, 7, 8. That means 2 boxes left. 3, 7, 8. 3, 7, 8. The 1 and the 5 are missing. 1 and the 5. Let me mark those. 1 and a 5. 1 and a 5. That means in this big square, the other 3 numbers are the 8. We have an 8 here. We have a there an 8. So no 8 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8. Should be there. 1, 5. So the other 2 numbers should be the 4 and the 6. Let me mark those. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. So in this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7. No 7s in those 3 boxes. There are 7. No 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 could be here. Could be there. If we have a 7 in this column, we have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And now 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in those 3 boxes. Here 4, no 4 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4. Should be there. Oh, almost tip over again. Apologies. Alright. And now we have a 3 in this row. A 3 in the last row, so no row between. The only place for a 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 3. Let me see. 1, 6, 5. Alright. 4, 4. 7, 8. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, only place for an 8 should be there. 3, 7, 8, 3, 7, 8. Then 5, 1, 6. I need a 6. 9 in this row. 9 in the row below. So on the last row, the only place for a 9 should be there. Here's supposed to be the 6. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row. So the third row, only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column. So the third column, only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row above, only place for 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 1. Then. These two numbers are missing. Those numbers are the 8 and the 1. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and 1 goes there. 8. Whoo. 3 missing numbers in this row. 7 is missing, the 2 is missing, and the 6 is missing. We see here 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for a 2 should be there. 7 and a 6. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. So we have a 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column, so in the third column. Only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in that row, so in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see digit number 2. 1 in this row, 1 in that row, so in the middle row, the only place for a 1 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Then. 2 boxes left in this big square. 1, 2, the 3 and the 6. Let me mark those. 3 and 6. That means 1 box left in the middle column for the number 5. 5 is missing. Now we have a 5 here, so this cannot be 5 anymore. This should be the 5 and this should be a 1. 2 boxes left in this big square, the 1 and the 6. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 6 goes there. Yeah. Then. 1 number left in this column for the number 6. 2 boxes left in this middle big square for the numbers 7 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the third column, 5 in the first column, so in the column between, only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit and number 3. 1 number left in this row for the number 6. 1 number left in the middle row for the number 8. No, 8 we have. 4 is missing. Yes. tip over again. The third time. I don't believe this. Alright. 2 boxes left in this big square. The 7 and the 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. How about these two numbers in the third column? 7 in the 6 again. We have a 6 there, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the second row. So the third row, the only place for a 7 should be there. 2 boxes left. The 3 and the 8. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. The 8 goes there. Now we have a 3 here. So this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3. And this should be a 6. 6 in this row, 6 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for a 6 should be there. 1 box left in the second row for the number 4. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 8. Cannot fill this yet, need to wait. Here we have 7 and 8. Cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 4 and 6. Now we have a 6 there. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And a 4 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 7. Now we have a 7 here. So this cannot be 7 anymore. This should be the 7 and this should be an 8. Now we have an 8 there. So this cannot be 8 anymore. This should be the 8 and this should be a 1. And the final two numbers of this big square. The 1 and the 4. 1 and the 4. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 4 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes, alright. For a Sudoku Heavy. Yes. I'm very pleased. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload new ones to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep puzzling. See you later with the extra Sudokus. Bye bye for now.